OMNISAT is a permissionless native BRC-20 swap. It launched on testnet today, so once you've received your testnet Bitcoin from the faucet, let's learn how to do a swap. And if that sentence made absolutely no sense to you, click on Get Test BTC on the OMNISAT website and go through the tutorials. On omnisat.io, you're going to click Connect Wallet. Also, you can get an invite to OIL, so definitely check that out. But for right now, you're going to use UNISAT, so click to select. Make sure your wallet is on testnet, select the account, connect, and you should be brought to the swap page. Something important to note about _SAT is this is a BRC-20 that was inscribed specifically on testnet. Besides distribution, it shares the exact same information as sats on mainnet. And to give people the most genuine experience to what it would be like on mainnet, it's reflective of sats price information as well. So type in how much Bitcoin you want to swap for sats. I did 0.005. The rate is calculated. Click Initiate Swap. Your screen will say Sign to initiate transfer, and this should also trigger your wallet. Hit OK. Scroll down to sign. Your screen will say Inscribing Transfers, and if you click here, you can view on the testnet version of mempool.space. Once that goes through, your wallet will once again be triggered to initiate the swap. So hit OK again, sign. You'll be notified that the swap is being submitted to the mempool. Once again, you can click here to see the testnet version of mempool.space. And shortly, you will receive confirmation that your swap was submitted. You can click to view on mempool.space or return to OMNISAT to play with the pools. And don't worry, you will have a separate tutorial for that as well. If you open your wallet, you should also see the _SAT BRC-20's in the ordinals section. And just another reminder that these were inscribed specifically for testnet purposes. Have fun, happy swapping, and as always, let me know if you have any questions.